Welcome to our 2025 review of the top 3 best Weber original kettle charcoal grills. Fire whether you're a weekend griller or a barbecue master. These Weber kettles offer classic design, durability, and mouth-watering flavor performance. We'll compare features, build quality, and cooking results to help you choose the perfect model for your backyard cookouts. Stay tuned for the best grilling experience of 2025. Number 3. The Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill, 22-inch, black, stands as a timeless classic in outdoor cooking, combining durability, performance, and style in one iconic design. Built with a porcelain enameled lid and bowl, it retains heat efficiently and resists rust or peeling, ensuring long-lasting use. The plated steel cooking grate provides a sturdy and even cooking surface, large enough to handle up to 13 burgers at once, making it ideal for family gatherings and backyard barbecues. Temperature control is precise, thanks to the rust-resistant aluminum damper, allowing you to easily adjust airflow for perfect heat management. Its one-touch cleaning system makes ash disposal effortless, while the heat shield and angled lid hook add to its user-friendly design. The sturdy all-weather wheels enhance mobility, letting you move your grill with ease, and the built-in tool hooks keep your accessories close at hand. Users praise its classic design, excellent heat control, and superb build quality, many noting it outperforms cheaper alternatives and lasts for years. Whether it's grilling a Thanksgiving turkey or weekend burgers, the Weber kettle remains unmatched in flavor and reliability. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this grill continues to prove why Weber remains the gold standard for charcoal enthusiasts worldwide. A must-have for true barbecue lovers. Number 2. The Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill, 18-inch, black, delivers the authentic flavor and experience that only a charcoal grill can provide, all in a compact and efficient design. Crafted from premium steel with a porcelain enameled lid and bowl, it ensures superior heat retention and long-lasting durability while resisting rust and peeling over time. The one-touch cleaning system with an aluminized steel ash catcher makes post-grilling cleanup quick and hassle-free, keeping your setup neat after every cook. Its angled lid hook provides a convenient way to hang the lid safely, while the heat-shielded handle ensures comfortable handling during high-heat sessions. With a cooking capacity for up to 13 burgers, this grill is perfect for small families or weekend cookouts. Mobility is another highlight. The all-weather wheels make it easy to move your grill around the patio or yard. Reviewers love its classic Weber build quality, even heat distribution, and timeless design that's both functional and stylish. One user even noted that their Weber grill lasted over 20 years, proof of its unmatched durability and craftsmanship. Compact, yet powerful, the 18-inch Weber Original Kettle is ideal for anyone who wants premium charcoal grilling performance in a manageable size. A true backyard legend built to last. Number 1. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch, black, is a timeless favorite that continues to set the gold standard for backyard barbecues. Built for both performance and durability, it features a porcelain enameled lid and bowl that delivers superior heat retention and resists rust or peeling for years of reliable use. The hinged cooking grate is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to easily add charcoal during long grilling sessions without disrupting your cooking rhythm. With a 22-inch diameter, it offers ample space to cook up to 13 burgers at once, perfect for family gatherings and outdoor feasts. The built-in lid thermometer ensures precise temperature control, while the heat shield protects your handle for safe operation. Cleaning is effortless thanks to Weber's signature one-touch cleaning system and high-capacity ash catcher, which neatly collects debris for quick disposal. Users praise its even heat distribution, solid construction, and ease of use, with many calling it the ultimate charcoal grill for everyday and special occasions alike. While a few reviewers mention the lid's slight weight or short height, these are minor trade-offs for such exceptional build quality. If you're looking for a classic, reliable charcoal grill that blends tradition with smart modern features, the Weber Original Kettle Premium is an unbeatable choice. Thanks for watching our top 3 best Weber original kettle charcoal grills review 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest grill and barbecue gear reviews. Drop a comment below on which Weber grill is your favorite, and share this video with your fellow grill lovers. See you in the next cookout review.